Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to handle unpaid items on eBay. To handle an unpaid items on eBay, you can cancel the order after 4 calendar days by selecting cancel order and choosing buyer hasn't paid. So what you need is open up the eBay application. So basically, you want to wait for at least 4 calendar days after the order was placed. Then find the order in your seller's hub or in my eBay under the order section or the sold button. Next, you want to go ahead and click the cancel button and select buyers hasn't paid for a drop down menu. Then your item will be automatically relisted as a single quantity buy it now item unless you choose to not relist it. And what you need is get a refund. Your final value fees will be credited back, and this way you'll be able to handle unpaid items eBay. This way you'll be able to handle unpaid items. That's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.